Good morning, everyone. Wolfie here. Been a little bit since I've done a cooking video, so figured I'd do one up this morning. I'm gonna share with you Ellie's top secret recipe for pancakes. They turn out pretty good. Okay, so getting the pancake mix, the regular pancake mix here all done up. I cheat back here. I just use easy stuff. You just add the water to. Makes it a lot less hassle. You need a little more water. It's not quite thin enough before the secret ingredient. Okay. So we got our regular old pancake mix here. Our batter. Here's the secret ingredient. Chocolate chip muffins. This makes a pretty nice chocolate chip pancake. And lots of them because, well, I started out with way too much flour, like pancake flour to begin with. So. I get it mixed really good. You don't want it too thin, but you don't want it too thick either. This is one of the greatest breakfasts ever. But yeah, just a short little cooking with the dogs video. I thought I'd do one up. Like I said, it's been a while, so there we go. Got the frying pan all heated up, so I guess over to the stove. Should get a good amount out of that. Spatula out. Pancakes. On to the next batch. Well, next round. Here we have it. Nice short video, but of the top secret recipe for Ellie's white dog pancakes. Turned out pretty good. And we're going to match them up with some premium syrup from Alexstrasza Sugar Bush. Time for breakfast. Got to share with the dogs, of course, but oh. Everyone have a great day, and we'll talk to you all soon.